The 2025 Chevrolet CK10 4x4 is a bold return of a legendary nameplate, built for the modern era but rooted deeply in classic American truck culture. Chevy has resurrected the iconic CK10 with a rugged, square body look that echoes its vintage heritage. From its boxy fenders and bold front grille to the high-clearance stance and flared wheel arches, this truck means business on and off the road. Underneath that tough exterior, the CK10 4x4 packs a punch. It's powered by a modern 6.2-liter V8 engine, producing over 420 horsepower and massive low-end torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and advanced four-wheel drive system, this truck is more than ready for rough trails, rocky climbs, and hauling heavy loads with ease. An available diesel option adds even more pulling power for those who demand serious towing. Inside, the CK10 surprises with a mix of classic styling and advanced tech. You get durable yet premium materials, a digital instrument cluster, and a large touchscreen with the latest Chevy infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation are all standard, along with a surround view camera that helps when you're maneuvering tight trails or job sites. The ride quality is surprisingly refined, thanks to adaptive shocks and an upgraded suspension that handles both rugged off-roading and smooth highway cruising. Whether you're towing gear, heading into the wilderness, or just turning heads on city streets, the 2025 CK10 has the style and substance to do it all. Chevrolet built this truck for those who want real capability without giving up comfort or modern tech. The 2025 CK10 4x4 is more than just a revival, it's a statement. For fans of old-school muscle and new-school innovation, this is the truck to watch. Car Trend brings you the return of a true off-road legend, reborn and ready to lead.